It is Tuesday. That means it's our pet of the week. And joining us now is Dawn with a wonderful big cat. His name's Barney.
This is Barney. He's an 8-year-old domestic long-haired mix, so he's very sizable if you're looking for a big, hefty cat to join your family. He does great with children and other cats, and he's free.
And that's because you're special pricing on cats. Tell me about that.
That's right. We have a policy whenever the cat is 2 years or older, their adoption fee is waived. We just want them to find a great home, and they come spayed and neutered, vaccinated, and microchipped. So it's a great deal if you're looking to add a cat to your family.
All right. Thanks a lot, Dawn. Again, this is Barney. If you're interested in any of the wonderful animals over at Animal Humane, you can check out any one of their satellite offices or go to their website.
All right, and so for those of you panicking, it's Wednesday, so we are closer to Friday.
That's right. We had
than
to
Tuesday.
delay that.
We
because
did.
Of breaking news again.
Yeah, Casey Anthony, that was big stuff yesterday.
That's right.
7-day forecast looking better for us. We'll stay dry today with highs in the mid-90s. We'll see the chance for thunderstorms moving in at the end of this week and for the weekend.
All right, I love that Wednesday forecast. Thank you, Kristen, and we love it that you are with us today. Take care. Be safe out there. We'll see you back here tomorrow.